Welcome, loves, to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be talking about lipsticks and numerous, endless options with absolutely different techniques. So we're going to get started in a sec, but please do not mind the background noise. There's a dog and a bird, my mom's pets, so I have to work with that. I have prepared for you 6 techniques that are going to be valuable, in my opinion, if you want to be different and if you want to experiment. And you just have to be conscious about colors. If you change colors but you're using the same techniques, it's always going to be a little bit different. So let's get started. I'm going to do something really soft, something really simple that we do every single time. It's going to be a simple lipstick, can be lip gloss, whatsoever, and then use a lip pencil to outline your lips. This is basic, simple, anyone can do that. I do my lip liner on top of my lipstick because this is the easiest way to outline your lips, and you can see the guidelines because of your lipstick. And it's wet, it's creamy, that's why your lip pencil is going to glide on easily. Now I want to advance my technique, and what if you have a bright lipstick like red or maybe bright pink shade, super bright, and you have no idea where to wear it because it's not looking good with your lips. The Korean option, Korean version of it is going to be adding a little bit of the same red lipstick in the center of your lip. Grab a lip liner, get it all over your lip like that. If it's a little bit too much, use your wet tissue, dab a couple of times. Then what I do is go to my Essence lip gloss. You can use other lip glosses with a little bit different, softer shades, and then get it on top with a lip brush. I added a little bit extra amount of my lipstick, but let's be real, if you add a little bit less than that, it's gonna look softer. You can outline your lips, but I don't really outline them with this color underneath, so you can add a little bit less of the color, a little bit different color, like I mentioned this earlier, bright pink, or maybe this crazy grayish shade. On top, use some lip gloss and you're good to go. It's really pretty. Now I want to talk about black color. A lot of you are afraid of this combination, and especially my friend, one of my friends, she was like, no, I cannot buy a black lipstick or black lip gloss. I have one from Givenchy, the other one is from Givenchy as well. This is really like a black lipstick, mainly lip balm, but sort of like lipstick. And please do not be afraid of the color, because if you're bold enough, you can wear it like that, or with a lip balm. Make sure you have some base, and as for base, you can do, for example, like this bright lip liner, outline your lips. You can use nude, you can use absolutely any shade, and then on top, use your finger, this black lipstick, and then just use it lightly. Just tap it on top of your lips. So it's not given a crazy black color, but it's actually adding some dimension to your lip. And on top, you can use some black lip gloss because it's not going to be completely black. It's going to give later, it's going to give a little bit different shade, like maybe raspberry or like red color, and just use it on top. Look at that. It's so much interesting. It's so pretty. You can use nude underneath, probably like nude, let's say lipstick, and on top of this matte color, I'm going to show you how it's going to look. We'll use the same. Look at that. It's so pretty. You're kind of toning down the nudeness, but it's not super black, and it's given this beautiful kind of like interesting shade. Let's compare both of those sides. This is the difference. This one is so subtle, pretty, like this one is orangey, kind of brownish nude shade. Now let's say you have a lot of bright lipsticks like red. We talked about that. And you might have probably some plum shade. This is super pretty. And you have no idea how to wear this color because it's looking bizarre and crazy on you. I grab color like that. It's from Essence. You can see it's like plum shade. It's looking nice, but with my technique, it's looking so much better. I'm getting this on top of my lips, and I'm leaving a decent amount of space. And I'm going to be serious when I tell you brown lip pencil is a saver for all of you. It can save you from so many different situations when you look crazy with a particular lipstick or lip gloss, and brown lip pencil on top is just going to change the whole thing. Look at that. It's instantly better. Kind of took off the brightness or craziness from this shade. Let me show you how it looks with red, because red is so crazy on me. And let me show you how this brown lip pencil changes the whole look. You can tell it's looking crazy on me. I have my lip brush. Just mix it all together. It's not as beaming, it's crazy as it used to be. So we toned this down with brown. And in any situation where you have, bright, crazy looking lipsticks and lip glosses, tone everything down with brown lip pencils or lip liners. Now I'm going to introduce a little bit different routine, a little bit different technique. It works with absolutely any lip pencils, any color of lip pencil. I showed you some options with black, so I'm going to keep on showing this routine. But you can use bright pink, you can use black, nude color, browns, just all of the lip pencils are going to work pretty much great with this technique that I'm about to show you guys. So first thing is going to be lip balm. I'm going to outline my lips with black pencil. Again, you can choose absolutely any pencil. I have my lip brush, and now I want to make sure that it's like blended. I don't really want to add too much, just blend the harsh line. And on top, use clear lip gloss. You can actually go with some other lip glosses, not only clear, but I love this routine with clear lip gloss, but go ahead and use any lip gloss you have. This technique requires only lip pencil, lip liner, and a lip gloss. Look how gorgeous this is. And even black is going to look pretty with this routine because there's a lot of your natural lip coming through this liner. I'm going to show you how I tone down bright lip. I'm going to use my lip balm because I can't survive without that right now. I'm going to use one of the favorite kind of like dark lipsticks that I have. It's from Maybelline and it's like super dark color. Look at that. Yeah. First of all, my favorite technique and my favorite thing to do, as I showed you in one of the previous techniques, brown lip pencil. So this is going to help a lot when it's on, and it's crazy. Not every single person is able to wear it like that. I showed you in one of my previous videos how I work with this type of color, like dark shade, and then use something as bright as this shade, like a lip gloss, on top. So both of these colors are going to neutralize each other, and it's going to look more or less decent and really pretty. But as for now, another option that I might suggest for you guys is to use shimmers on top, and it's definitely going to tone everything down as well. I have shimmers from Sephora. This is collection matte, I guess some metallic collection, and the color is 42 Metal. 42 Metal. And I really love going with the shimmers on top of bright and dark colors. This way, it's not as crazy as it used to be, and the shimmers, like metallic color, is looking so much better as well. So we're kind of like emphasizing the shade, emphasizing the color because we have the underneath base, and on top we're using any color we want, doing this brighter. Oh my god, it peeled off. What the fuck? It never happened. Sorry for saying that, but it never happened. But I guess you can get the point. Probably I didn't let it sit and dry as long as it should sit and dry. So it's really, really pretty. I love the combination of these colors, but okay, what happened? Guys, what is going on? I guess you can get an idea. I don't know. Okay. But one more time, like you can use probably this plum shade and on top go with the shimmers. It's going to look really pretty. And of course, last but not least is going to be ombre technique. Ombre technique is really simple. I really love it because you can tone down bright colors and nude shades are going to pop if you have something underneath. I really wanted to show you this with my dark colors, and this is going to be my Armani 600 color, and this product is expired. So yeah, if you're interested how I got it, check out some of my oldest videos. Now I want to do my black lip liner. But okay, guys, it doesn't really have to be black or other shades. You can use brown, but I want to create like an ombre effect. So we're going from black to this really pretty purple. Can you tell I have Venus in Scorpio? I don't even know. I don't even know. Okay, so we have really bright like black color than purple on top. Let's go with bright pink from Maybelline. This is really, really old baby pink color. Not even baby pink, it's bright pink shade. Really vibrant shade. And I'll place it in the center. A lip brush is what you need with ombre lip. Of course, you can do it like going like this, but I prefer this technique with the lip brush because it's given the control over your makeup look. You can use lip gloss on top, but I'm not a huge fan with ombre lip to use lip gloss because it looks like the same, like one color only. I love the gradation when you can see this gradation. You can add a bit more pink, you can add a bit more, I don't know, plum shade and black, whatever you have in your collection. You can just play with colors. You can use absolutely other shades, maybe a little bit of, let's say, brown, then red. And in the center, you can place this nude shade, and it's going to give a little bit different ombre look, a little bit different ombre effect, let's say. And this is it. I showed you every single technique that I actually use, and that's why I can give you so many lip options every single time, because knowing these techniques, you can create endless options for your lips. When you tone down dark lip with something different, like shimmers and bright colors and lip glosses, then when you can have a black or maybe pink lip liner and on top use just a clear gloss. When you have ombre lip that I'm showing you right now, maybe some bright lip with like red or maybe bright pink with brown lip liner. Brown works perfectly well with this routine. Then you can have just a simple lipstick with the same color lip liner, just the simplest option ever. Then you can introduce black lipsticks and black lip glosses. They're looking super cool and super great with any other shades as well. And maybe you can do a Korean red lip or Korean pink lip with a little bit of lip gloss on top. All of those techniques are there for you. You can only use your shades, your colors, your favorite, let's say, combinations to create something different and new. Love you all so much, guys, and I hope I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye.